Hey y'all, hey, if you are new here, my name is Denise. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I think today is Tuesday. I hope today is Tuesday. I don't know, y'all. I'm struggling over here. We getting a late start today. It is probably 5 o'clock. I didn't do much. I was just laying down all day. I was quite tired. But now I have a burst of energy. So like I was saying before my camera cut off because of no storage, I have been craving strawberry lemonade and pickled eggs. I mean, I don't have to have them together like a sit down snack, but I do want to have that beverage and I want a pickled egg. So I'm gonna pickle some eggs. Y'all, I'm gonna pickle some eggs for y'all and y'all gonna watch the simple process. And I'm also gonna make some strawberry lemonade. I'm not, I don't know. Y'all probably make y'all's a different way than I do, but maybe y'all might learn something, maybe not, I don't know. You wanna say hey to the good people?
Hey, good people.
Good job. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and start boiling my eggs because I'm gonna go ahead upstairs and wash my blankets that I talked to y'all about last night. I wanted to wash them earlier, but Lucas, you coming upstairs with me? Like I was saying, I wanted to wash them earlier, but y'all, I fell asleep last night and I didn't turn my dishwasher on. So unfortunately, I had to run my dishwasher earlier today. And y'all know I don't even like doing that. Unless you're new here, you don't know that. But I don't like to run large appliances in the daytime. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna wash my blankets because I want to snuggle up in them. Y'all probably tired of watching me wash stuff, but it's okay. This is daily life vlogs. You get what you get. No complaints.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Alright. So now we're going back into the kitchen to get started on making some strawberry lemonade. Stanky Panky, you gonna drink some lemonade if mama makes it?
No.
No? Y'all, do y'all kids tell y'all no for everything? I mean, if you have young kids such as Lucas' age, every question I ask him, no. No. So now, working on the lemonade. You need 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna use 4. Well, maybe I can get away with 3 lemons. We're gonna try 3 lemons. Okay, so for the lemonade, you just wanna make sure you got soft lemons. So I just roll them, get all the juices flowing good in there.
I don't don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be.
Alright, so now that I got all that done, I'm gonna put half of a cup of sugar to equal parts water. Cause I'm basically just making like a simple syrup. Yeah, syrup. Alright. Sit down. Alright, so I have it here on the stove, and I'm just gonna let it heat up. I did put a pinch of sea salt in there. I don't think the camera was on. I'm so sorry. Well, it was on, but it wasn't recording. And you can still see a little bit of tiny seeds. Maybe I can find a strainer, but I don't think I have one. Maybe Santa Claus will get me a strainer for Christmas. Anyway, I'm gonna let that sugar dissolve, and then we're gonna make some lemonade. Ta-da! Not too shabby, guys. Look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add some bottles of water to that. It's so good. It's really good. Alright, y'all, so last thing I'm gonna do is pickle these eggs. I'm not gonna make this video long. It was just a regular old day over here. We didn't do a whole lot. I'm gonna set y'all right here so y'all can see. So I have 5 eggs in this little jar. I'm gonna use some white vinegar. Oh my goodness, it's so difficult. Oh, that hurt my hand. All right, so I got the vinegar. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there. Oh, wait, hold on, boo-boo. I want them a little bit spicy. Yep, just 1 second. Okay, so a little bit of cayenne pepper. Put some salt in there. And I'm going to actually use some food coloring. And we have primary colors here. We got blue, green, red, and yellow. But I'm gonna use, what color should I use? I think I'm gonna use red. Yes, good job, Lucas. I'm gonna use red. I'm gonna put 1, 2, I think 2 drops of food coloring will be enough. Lucas, give me that. Lord have mercy, you're just too smart. You're just gonna have food coloring all over the place. I thought you were enjoying your eggs. Anyway, it's hard to do anything when you have children because they quit with their hands and they touch everything. So anyway, I got my lid on. Give it a little shake. And there you have it. I'm gonna let these sit overnight. Y'all, I cannot believe Ulta took the time to mail this little miniature OPI polish to me. Look at how tiny that is. Like, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed spending another day with me. I know we didn't do a whole lot. It's okay, but hopefully you guys learned a little bit more about me. I like strawberry lemonade and I like pickled eggs. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Do you want to hold on, Lucas? Okay, so don't forget to thumb up the video if you liked it. Consider subscribing so you can come visit us again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You want to say bye?
No.
No? Well, say bye, good people.
All night.
All night. I'll see y'all later. Bye.
No.